Quran has the solution for all the problems. Whether it be an individual problem, whether it be a family problem, whether it be a society problem, whether it be a national problem, whether it be a global problem. Quran has the solution for all the problems. Therefore, I say Quran is a global necessity. Quran has a solution to the problem, whether it be social problem, whether it be psychological problem, whether it be economical problem, whether it be political problem. Because Quran has the solution to all the problems, Quran is a global necessity. I'll just quote one verse of the Quran of Surah Imran, chapter 3, verse 110, where Allah says, Kuntum khaira ummatin ukhrijat linnas. O ye Muslims, ye are the best of people evolved for mankind. Allah is giving us an honor and calling us the best of people. There is no honor without responsibility. Don't you think we have a responsibility? Allah continues and says, Ta'miruna bil ma'rufi wa tanhauna 'anil munkar. Because we enjoy what is good and we forbid what is wrong and we believe in Allah. If we do not enjoy what is good and if we do not forbid what is wrong, we aren't fit to be called as khaira ummah, we aren't fit to be called as Muslims. Doing dawah is fard on every Muslim. Otherwise we shall not go to Jannah. Only praying, fasting, Hajj is not sufficient. According to Surah Al-Asr, if you don't do dawah, you shall not enter Jannah.